You're busy, we get it. Long days, tight schedules, crews to manage, projects to deliver. That's exactly why SAIA is making it easier than ever to experience the annual convention and exposition. If you work in the field, this event is for you. Come explore the latest technology, equipment, safety innovations, and product demonstrations designed to help crews work smarter and safer every day. Meet industry experts, ask questions, see products firsthand, learn what's changing in the industry. Interested in checking out the show? We're offering complimentary Expo-Only access into select events throughout the week. On Tuesday, it's an opening day special. Enjoy all-day Expo access, product demos from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., reception hours from 5 to 7 p.m. On Wednesday, lunch access from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., and Wednesday evenings reception from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. On Thursday, lunch access from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Our exhibitors are industry experts, many of them longtime SAIA members dedicated to improving safety, productivity, and innovation in the scaffold and access industry. This is your opportunity to experience products firsthand, discover new technology, learn about labor-saving solutions, explore safer ways to work, connect directly with manufacturers and suppliers. Want access to all Expo events? Upgrade to the Expo Pass for full exhibit hall and reception access throughout the convention. Interested in the educational sessions and the gala too? Register for the full convention experience. On-site registration is available. Join us at the JW Marriott in Nashville. Even if you only have a few hours, come see what the future of the industry looks like. Stop in for lunch, attend a reception, watch a demo, make connections. You don't know what you don't know. And the companies and workers who stay engaged are the ones helping shape the future. Work smarter, lead safer, shape the future.